Alright, welcome, ladies and gents, to the first weekly bias analysis for the stock markets. Yes, you heard me right, the stock markets. So basically, we're just gonna go over a couple stocks that I have my eyes on for the week. Usually, I have my eyes on like every single stock, but just the major ones for this week. So let's just start off with. Right now, it's kind of rough territory because of what just happened with Iran and Israel. When major events like that happen, the stock market usually has some downside momentum because, well, you know, on that side of the world, there's stock market traders too. And when something bad like that happens, they need their money just in case because you never know what can happen. And it's not official yet, but everyone keeps saying World War III has started. There is no war yet. It's not official. It may seem like it, but it's not official yet. It sounded like there was a bug next to my ear. So anyways, my favorite stock of all time is the S&P 500 because it is the top 500 companies in one, and this is the market for it. And usually the S&P does really good. It has really good returns, as you can see. If you go all the way back down, it's just up and up and up and up. It just keeps going up. Besides right here when the stock market crashed in 2008. But as you can see, it just keeps going up. So on the daily chart right now, we are consolidating, it looks like. So we'll start off right here. So we got support right here. Okay. Resistance. Support. Resistance. And we are hitting another support line right now. So then if you box this out like that, you could see this is the range it's consolidating in. So right now it seems to like this 5,105 line. 5,093 line for support. Resistance, let's just say like 5,236. So I can see the S&P 500 maybe doing this chop for the rest of this week before we might see a breakout. If we take a look at the weekly chart, you could see doing the same thing, just consolidating. 1 week we were up, 1 week we were down, 1 week we were up, another week we were up, another week we were up, week down, week down. So then I can probably see another week of being down a little bit before a major breakout. So right now on the daily and the weekly, we are bearish. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Still bearish. Bearish. Between, and it's still, it is under the 9 moving average. So usually when it's above the 9 moving average, that means that we might see some movement up. But right now with the daily candle closing below the 9 MA, it indicates that we still may be going down. If we take a look, let's see. I'm looking for some fair value gaps, which I don't see. That one got filled. That one got filled. So right now it's just kind of deciding what it's gonna do. Really, it just depends on what's gonna happen this week with Iran and Israel. That's usually what the market likes to wait for. If it's declared official that we might have World War III, everything is going to be down, including crypto, which you can see crypto is down right now. My bags are down horrendous on crypto right now. But the stock markets that I have my eyes on for this week is Apple, QQQ, and Nvidia. I definitely see some breakouts happening in QQQ. As you can see, we are consolidating right now, but we are on the edge of a breakout, and let me explain why. So support, resistance, support, resistance. Okay, box it out right here. Now QQQ usually does this for a couple days. It will consolidate and then it will break out, just like right here. So if you mark this out, support, resistance, support. Wait, hold on. Let me do that. Okay, actually, we'll just do it like that. So, you can see it consolidated right here for a couple days before a major breakout, and then going back down, and then a mini breakout, big breakout, and then consolidating for a little bit right now. But this happened back in December where it consolidated for, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 days before a major breakout. And usually when the orange so my orange candle is actually a green candle. So if you guys go on TradingView, your candles are going to be green and red. But so my green candle is orange and then my red candle is white. So when you see a green candle hovering right next to this consolidation box, it indicates that there's going to be a possible breakout, which you can see it did break out until 413 and coming back down to 395. Right now, tomorrow, I believe it's going to be an orange candle that closes, but it's not going to break out yet as we got some events happening tomorrow. Let me look at that Forex factor. 14, no, 15. Ooh, yeah, so tomorrow actually it's gonna be probably bearish on everything. Or wait, hold on, I didn't filter that right, my fault. That is not filtered. I should do like all that, and then USD, GPU, take all this other stuff. There we go. So it looks like an all right day tomorrow, but I still believe it's going to be a little bit bearish. But I believe it's going to consolidate for a day or two. But I believe there's going to be an orange candle that closes like right here at like 446 before we see a major breakout to like I'd say like 458, 450-ish, and then coming back into another consolidation period. The same thing with NVIDIA. I can see a breakout happening here soon with the support and resistance that's happening right now with this. Mark those out. Box it off. Oh. What happened to my lines? Hold on. Moving average. No, that's not it, is it? No. Hold on. I'm having some technical difficulties. Give me a second. Hold on. Why is it doing that? EMA. Double EMA. 9. Okay. And then EMA. Triple WEMA. And then this one will make to 50. Okay. There we go. So as you can actually see right here, this candle closed above the 9 MA, which that is indicating that there is some bullish momentum happening with the NVIDIA stock on the daily chart. If we look at the weekly, it is closed below it. So on the weekly, we are bearish. On the daily, we are bullish. Right here, it's kind of in between bearish, 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 bullish on the 30-minute, bullish on the 15-minute, bearish on the 5-minute, bearish on the 3-minute, and bearish on the minute. So yeah, but I believe NVIDIA is about to have a decent sized breakout happening here soon. I think with this next resistance line that it hits, that's when it's gonna break out. So we'll see what happens this week. So those are kind of just the stocks I have my eyes on for this week. So just bear with me, guys. Like I said, I'm not no stock wizard yet. I'm still in the process of learning it. The reason why I'm making these videos is it's basically my journal to see my improvement throughout the years of when I actually reach that professional level of a stock market trader. My goal is to be like a swing trader. I'm not trying to be day trader. I feel like day trading is kind of, it's too risky for me, and I'm not scared of day trading. It's just like that's not really my niche. I do like the stock market. The stock market is a great option to make very easy money once you have the skills down. But with swing trading, you don't have to be there daily. Swing trading, you can kind of look at the daily charts. Like, so say like on March 4th, I bought right here, okay? And then next thing you know, it breaks out on April 22nd and it's at 1,045. Well, I bought down here, I can sell up here, and I didn't have to be here every single day to get that. I could have just started here, every now and then peek at what's going on, set my stop loss, and then set my take profit. Boom. Swing trading is pretty simple. You don't have to show up every day, but you kind of have to stay in the loop and make sure that you're doing some weekly analysis to make sure that your trade is still going as planned. But like I said, guys, I'm still in the process of learning. There's other ways to trade. I just recently learned this way of marking out consolidation boxes and then viewing a breakout. I know fair value gaps. I know equilibrium. I know order blocks. What else is there? And then, breaks of structures. I know all that stuff, but I find this way of trading very simple right now. Next week, you'll probably see me mix up with like the fair value gaps. Like I can already spot a couple. Just looking at the daily, fair value gap here slightly got filled. I mean, it barely got even filled with that candle. You can see more like on the 5-minute though. Fair value gap. Yeah, but you guys will learn with me. What I do recommend doing if you guys want to get in the loop is joining The Real World by Andrew Tate. It's a very good campus. People think it's cringe because it's Andrew Tate. Andrew Tate is the person that is not that he's not teaching you. It's a whole different person teaching you. But it has taught me a lot of things, especially on the crypto side. Maybe we will do some crypto analysis at some other point. But crypto, I am in for the long term. I'm not doing no swing trading on crypto. I am a long-term investor in crypto because I believe crypto is going to see some pretty awesome all-time highs in 2025. And these are all the cryptos that I am currently invested in right now. I have a lot of Dogecoin. I can see Doge going to $1. And then the other part of my money is in Ethereum. A lot of money into Ethereum. I can see Ethereum hitting 10 grand, 12 grand by 2025. XRP, I have a decent bag in. And other ones, I guess like I have okay amounts of bags into them, but majority of my holdings is Ethereum, Doge, and XRP. So we'll see what happens with those by next year. But yeah, appreciate you guys showing up to this video. I hope you guys learned something with me, and hopefully this week will be a good week in the stock market. So I will see you guys later.